my true hope is that we all absolutely realize that we are New Mexicans. We are unlike any other state in the entire country. And we have lifted each other up for a very long time. And I want us all to continue to do that, because it's our children and our grandchildren that I want to see benefit from the fruits of these hard discussions, benefit from our hard work that we're doing to make sure that we can come together and move these issues forward.
Our New Mexico history is long and complicated. I do not view the monuments of our past as a celebration of conquest, but as symbols of our shared history, a concept that runs deep within our cultural fabric and identity. There is no question atrocities happen, but within that legacy, I am most proud of my community's resilience and ongoing journey toward unity. I understand and ally myself with the struggle towards racial equality in America. It has been the foundation for my personal work as a neighborhood activist and community leader. While we could tear down every piece of art that has a controversial figure attached to it, it would not change history. Only our actions will change history. And as part of that, we can engage in a discussion about the appropriate historical context for our monuments to the past.
The concept of One Albuquerque, it's that we champion our diversity, but we also know we're all in this together. That has been actually a clarion call for us over the last 3 years and even before that. But also it's so important as we think about the journey going forward. Because for us, you know, we know from our history that things like racial healing and racial equity is a journey, right? There's no stopping point. There's no one act that makes everyone feel comfortable. It's about taking steps forward. And look, there are going to be steps backwards, but obviously over time we have to, you know, bend that arc towards justice and towards reflecting all of our collective identities. And that's what this is really about.
And we're just sort of trying to put it all together and make sense of it and know what actions to take to bring people back together, because this is not the New Mexico that I grew up in.
We have long found resilient ways to live together, and it's not always been peaceful, but we have found ways to coexist together and to do things like love each other and intermarry and celebrate each other's culture. And for us, I believe that is part of the path forward.